Executive clemency kay Claudio T. Hanqui Jr. Mula sa kanilang tinitiran ngayon na bansang Sweden, sinabi nila na hindi totoo na inabisuhan sila ng ating gobyerno tungkol sa pagbibigay ng executive clemency sa tao na pumatay sa kanilang anak. Nakatutok si Vicky Morales.
Tulalang-tulala ang mag-asawang Haltman nang matanggap nila ang balitang pinalaya na ang taong pumatay sa anak nilang si Maureen, 17 taon na ang nakararaan.
Shocked, surprised, angry. I don't know what to say.
We're paralyzed by the news that he's already out and he is pardoned, he is absolved of his crime. We're far away here in Sweden and we're trying to start a new life. We were trying to leave all of this behind us. And suddenly, here it is again.
Ang ikinaiinis nila, ni hindi man lang daw sila naabisuhan na nire-review na pala para sa isang executive clemency si Claudio Jr. Nabasa lang daw nila sa isang website na pinalaya na pala ito. Pero ang mas ikinagulat nila, ang pahayag ni Executive Secretary Eduardo Ermita na kinonsulta raw ang pamilya Haltman bago pa man gawaran ng executive clemency si Claudio Jr.
That's a complete lie. We haven't been advised with anything. We know that the family has appealed and asked for him to be released, but that has no legal bearing in terms of releasing him without telling us that the government considering so. The executive secretary, again, I'm sorry to say this, is lying to the public.
They think the Filipino people are so stupid that the Filipino people will just listen to whatever garbage they throw out.
Giit ng stepfather ni Maureen, hindi naman daw sila tutol na palayain si Claudio Jr. Yun nga lang, sana raw nagtagal pa ito sa loob ng kulungan dahil 2 tao ang pinatay niya. Bukod kay Maureen, namatay rin ang kaibigan nitong si Roland John Chapman.
He was sentenced to double life plus 11 years. He has served 17 years, I think it is. Our position would probably have been he should stay there for a while. We would not have agreed to his release. So, and I think that Manuel T. Hanqui, who is probably the organizer of this, he knows that. That's why they didn't ask us.
Nang tanungin ko si Ginang Haltman kung may nais siyang iparating kay Claudio Jr., ito ang kanyang naging tugon.
I have no message to him. I have a message to the people who facilitated his release. I hope they can sleep at night, because this is a disgrace to the Filipino nation. This is the highest form of injustice in the country. And I'm really, really ashamed and sad to be a Filipino.
Is that message also applicable to the President who granted him executive clemency? All right,
yes,
thank you very much.
Definitely.
Ayon pa sa pamilyang Haltman, hindi nila inaasahan ang aksyon na ito mula kina Pangulong Arroyo at Justice Secretary Raul Gonzales.
I'm very, very disappointed. President Ramos didn't touch this case. President Estrada didn't touch this case. And now President Arroyo secretly and sneakingly goes in and releases him. I'm very disappointed.
Kanina lang, binisita ng pamilya Haltman ang puntod ni Maureen na ilang metro lang daw ang layo mula sa tirahan nila sa Sweden. Nang mamatay si Maureen matapos makomatose ng halos 100 araw sa ospital noong 1991, kinremate ito at dinala ang abo sa Sweden ng mga ibang bansa ang pamilya. Ngunit sa takbo raw ng mga pangyayari, malayong maililibing nila ang mahapding kabanatang ito sa buhay ng kanilang pamilya. Vicky Morales, Nakatutok, 24 Oras.